Hey everyone, I thought I'd show you another one of our palms that we grow here in our Central Texas nursery. This is the Foxtail palm. So not a very common palm that you'll see here in Central Texas, but does make a great container palm for us. So a little bit about Foxtail. This is a fast-growing palm, usually recommended for zone 10 plus. So that roughly equivalent, so it's about 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and you will start seeing damage on this palm. So again, it's not a palm that we want to grow here in the ground here in Central Texas. Will not survive our winters, but does make an excellent container palm, especially for around your swimming pool or your gardens, as long as you're willing to bring it in for a couple months of the year for our colds. So as you can see, we grow quite a few of them. I've got a great source with my connections down in South Florida. So we grow these all from seed. In fact, I'll show you, walk over a little bit. You can see I've got some others. So here's actually, this one I got a little sun damage. It was sitting out there, but you can see this is a triple foxtail. And in fact, I've got a smaller one over here by my swimming pool. It's a really nice single specimen. In fact, if you look across my pool as well, you can see that there's a really nice foxtail growing right there as well too. So again, it's the foxtail palm. Makes a really nice container palm. Kind of give you that, your garden or your swimming pool, that nice exotic look to it. Perfect for your containers here in Central Texas.